Welcome to the investment markets overview for the week ending the 11th of February 2022. Consumer prices have jumped around the world. Obvious. It's all down to energy prices and they are going higher still. Really? Whilst the perception of higher prices is understandable, as the majority of consumers and investors extrapolate the immediate past into the future. A glance at the charts offers far more context. The long-term charts of natural gas on the left-hand side with Brent crude oil on the right, provide two observations. Since the post-2005 and 2008 respective highs, the trend for both energy sources has been lower. And secondly, the Fibonacci retracements of the high to low price range, shown in green, are at typical reversal points of 61.8% and 78.6%. Hence there is a good chance of lower energy prices on the horizon. The overview includes the performance statistics for the main stock indices, which were mixed, as were the cryptocurrencies. Whilst sovereign bond yields and the commodities covered, were higher across the board. The former by some eye-watering amounts. Meanwhile, for the regions, the US CPI constituents are of interest. With the UK 10-year bond yield defying the Bank of England's wishes by soaring 800% over the past 18 months. Whilst out east, China's grip on the rare earth materials monopoly is dented but still valid. Despite the market volatility of late, a Bank of America report shows cumulative equity flows year to date have hit a record $153 billion, exceeding the pace of early 2021. This is typical, buy the dip mentality, led by the retail client as they are conditioned to believe that the central banks will always step in with support. Oh dear. A final performance table for the major stock indices since the year 2000 concludes the investment markets overview. A one-month trial of this 40 times per year publication is available for less than $15, or the price of just one decent cup of coffee per week. It's an ideal opportunity to grab the bargain discount for 4 publications. We strive to turn the technical into plain-speaking observations, backed up by factual charts and context. Join us for a guide through the maze of economic and market data via the weekly 5-page overview.